Hello and welcome back to my channel Das Temple. Blessings to all of you. Today let's talk about life meaning versus life purpose. Although they are used interchangeably, it's important to understand that your life meaning and purpose are two different things. Meaning is of the mind. It's a philosophy, idea, or a belief we ascribe to our lives. It's subjective. It's something you create. Whereas life purpose is innate. It's programmed into everything at a core level. It's objective. It's something you fulfill. How to find your meaning in life? Well, meaning is very personal and varied. It's something that emerges from your soul as a deep calling. For one person, their meaning in life may be to raise kids. For another, their meaning may be to create a charity, breed horses, become an artist, write a book, teach others, travel the world, meditate deeply, anything. Your meaning can be fixed or it can change. Ultimately, your core essence, the soul essence, will know your true meaning in life. In order to find your meaning, you will need to do some soul searching, some inner work. You will need to understand yourself, your gifts and weaknesses, your passions, and your interests. This is an exciting process that can also be frustrating and disheartening if the voice of your soul is getting drowned out by the stress of the daily life. How to find your purpose in life? You don't really have to find your purpose. It's already intrinsic and innate to who you are. You simply need to notice or tune into it. Like any natural process in life, there are various stages of our life purpose. In an earthly sense, our purpose is the same as everything we see around us: to grow, change, and expand. Just look at the plants, animals, and trees. They all go through the cycle of metamorphosis. The planets also go through cycles, as do the seasons. And the universe is expanding every moment. We too are destined to go through these cycles of expansion, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Our purpose is to mature. The spiritual awakening process is an expression of that maturation, that process. Our souls are expanding and growing, like pregnancy or birth. This growth can be a painful process, but it's part of life purpose. The next stage is metaphysical. What are we maturing towards? What is the point of all this hassle? This is a complex topic, but in a nutshell, Our metaphysical purpose is to unite with life or to become one with the divine. Ancient spiritual traditions all throughout the world have referred to this by many names like enlightenment, oneness, nirvana, wholeness, bliss, moksha, non dual awareness, Buddhahood, and so on. You may ask me, but how do we get there? There are many-fold paths. Meditation is a wonderfully common and powerful way of directly experiencing these states of illumination. But inner work works wonderful. Inner work creates deep change. It doesn't just create superficial feelings of well-being, unlike many New Age practices. Inner work can be done every day to complement virtually any spiritual practice you subscribe to. Inner work is also free of dogma and can be integrated into any belief system or model. How can we experience this divine union if we are struggling with low self-worth, addictions, buried trauma, self-sabotage, and mental health issues? After all, it's our unhealthy beliefs, toxic habits, unresolved traumas, and self-destructive demons that prevent us from experiencing unity with life. Unless you become spontaneously enlightened, which is rare and not within your control, you have got to do the inner work to make your soul fertile. Ultimately, we are all like farmers, tending the soil of our mind, heart, and souls. How we fertilize and care for that inner landscape plays a huge role in our capacity to grow and transform within our spiritual awakening journeys. Dive deep, know yourself, and see what you can grow from that fertile soil inside of you, people. It could be terrifying, it could be scary, but once you dive inside and actually see your strength, you will fall more in love with yourself and self-acceptance. Enjoy this journey. Love you all loads.